talk about more about the collaboration. You said earlier, Sophia and Angela, na parang personal styles nyo talaga. So, are you wearing yung personal styles ninyo?
Yes, ako kasi yung, ako yung,
Sino nakasilver na?
lagi nagsusot ng skirt din. And also, kasi pwede mo siya show.
Hey, sorry!
So, so talaga, nilagay namin yung mga ideas namin. And super thankful kami kay Miss China kasi open siya for, yun nga, ibigay namin yung mga ideas namin. Kaya, yan, yung mga ganong effect.
Yes. Very, si Cherise, very girly, coquette. Ikaw naman, Sophia.
Yes, so for me, personally,
So for me personally, I really like being comfortable but at the same time stylish. So and I also like being like simple lang. So for me, gusto ko talaga yung mga polo and then jorts. That's something na recently bumabalik na naman. So that's something na I really like wearing recently. Kaya ito po yung nabuo nating look. So, yeah, simplicity for me. Minimal.
Yes, love it. Minimal pero stylish pa rin for Sophia. Okay, next. Angela naman, explain your style.
Of course, una po sa lahat, I would like to greet the presence of the media po na pumunta dito. And of course, sa Zaya na pumunta galing pang school and work. Akala ko dito kayo pumunta, pero thank you for making time. So, I'm into dressing up lately. Actually, napansin ko siguro yun, like sa mga Zaya, before, parang gusto ko casual or yung nakasanayan ko na outfit. But itong mga nakaraan, I think this year, I started dressing up and exploring more on fashion. And lagi akong tambay ng mga Pinterest to know like what to mix and match. And I think natulungan talaga kami sobrang ni Miss China na mapakita sa fashion yung identity namin. And it's very important yung fashion, dala-dala natin siya every single day. And it gives us our own identity. And syempre, sa girl group, it's very important kasi kasama yun sa packaging, how you show up yourself, and how confident you are na dinadala mo yung outfit na yun. So, makikita niyo very girly and very me siya actually. And pwede mo siya, actually hindi naman to for ano lang eh, pag mga important na event. You can also style this on your own, pwede na sneakers, or anything na comfortable ka and makes you who you are.
Yes. Yung kay Angela, it's giving gorkcore na girly. Ganon. Diba? Oh. Now, Charlotte, take it away.
Hello po. Hello everyone. So, first of all, gusto ko lang po mag-thank you to everyone na pumunta po sa merch launch ng Kaya sa mga media partners po namin. And of course, to our Zaya. Thank you guys! So, for what I'm wearing, as much as I wanted to be casual and simple lang, tinry din namin actually i-consider yung mga material na gagamitin for our merches na parang hindi lang siya magagamit nyo for everyday na on a daily basis. Gusto rin namin siyang i-level sa mga international qualities ng mga clothing. So, sa akin naman, parang velvet yung texture or material na ginamit namin para rin mabagayan nyo kung gagala kayo or mag-out of town or out of the country. So, ayun, sana nagustuhan nyo everyone and sana naging happy kayo sa naging outcome ng merchandise ng Kaya with partnership of Wear Casa. Thank you, Miss China!
Yes. Yung kay Charlotte, elevated casual. Ganon, na may pa-velvet. Love it. Okay, Alexa, it's your time.
Everyone, look at how we are wearing this merchandise. So very demure, very cutesy, very mindful. Anyways, kidding aside, super happy ko sa collection na to kasi It's so nice na it's been put into consideration na magkaroon ng freedom to mix and match, especially since iba-iba tayo ng personality and sense of fashion. So, pwede yung pili mong top is yung nasa set ng outfit ko and then bili ka ng skirt na from other set. So, it's up to you kung paano mo i-mix and match yung mga outfits. And super happy ko talaga kasi it's very like comfy. Very comfy talaga yung yung mga damit and pwede mo siyang gamitin for everyday use.
Yes, bongga. I love it, guys. Diba meron tayong elevated streetwear, comfort, lahat ng casual. Like what they mentioned, pang everyday wear talaga tong collection na to. Kaya naman, congratulations to Kaya and Miss China Mamawa.
5, 6, 7, 8. Kaya is here! What's up, members? Hello po, ako ang Kaya's leader, Angela! Hello po, this is Cherise. Hey, what's up? This is Alexa. Hello everyone, my name's Sophia. Hi anchors, I'm Charlotte. And we are Kaya.
Ayan. Ay, may nabalitaan kami na anchors din daw ang iba sa inyo. Totoo ba yun?
Kami mong lahat.
Kayong lahat? Bakit? Ano ba yung kwento behind this? Bakit kayo naging anchors din?
Kasi po, nanonood po ako ng mga videos po nila palagi sa TikTok. And meron nga po kami isang video na nag-viral na sila, Kyler po yung nagsimula. Yung teleserye. Alam niyo po ba yun? Yeah. Pero yun nga po, fan po kami ever since nag-debut po sila. And nanood din po kami ng concert po nila dito sa Philippines.
Oo nga raw, meron daw member ng Kaya na nanood ng concert. Sino ba yun? Lahat kayo ba?
Kami lang dalawa. Kami lang,
Sila dalawa.
gusto po namin manood lahat, pero kami lang dalawa po yung nagkaroon ng ticket.
At saka another trivia, meron ding twins sa Kaya. Tama no?
Yes!
Ayun, so cute. So, sino ba mga bias niya sa Horizon bilang anchors din kayo? Can we ask?
Sure.
Wala namang gagawa ng dating rumors dito, no?
Wala.
Wala naman.
Wala.
Okay. Open-minded po tayo dito lahat. Okay, sige.
Actually, lahat po sila, favorite po namin. Pero siguro po akong bias, si Winston. Grabe, Winston.
Okay, next po.
Sa akin, well, I really love Horizon. Pero yung dalawa talagang bias ko is Vinci and Jeremy.
Ayan.
Yes, dahil bias nila ang lahat. Bias ko din sila. Pero siguro mas nakikilala si Kyler.
Ako po, actually buong Horizon din po. Pero I am personally a fan of their dancing. So for me po si Vinci.
And last, ako naman po si Kyler and Jeremy.
Ay, grabe. So, parehas kami. Pinchi ba?
Actually, ako naman ang nagpa-fan girl sa kanila ngayon. Grabe, super pretty, super
Ayun.
talented, and very nice naman na nakita ng anchors ang performance ng Kaya for today.